Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we put sounds together to make words. So I'm going to say the first sound in the word, then I'm going to say the rest of the sounds in the word. You need to listen carefully to put the sounds together and make the word. Here we go. Aunque. Aunque. Put those sounds together. Aunque. What word was I saying? Monkey! Okay, here's our next one. Bird. Bird. Put those sounds together. Bird. What's the word? Bird. Now we have elephant. Elephant. One more time, put those sounds together. Elephant. Did you get it? Elephant. Okay, now we have bunny. Bunny. Put the sounds together. Bunny. What's my word? Bunny. Okay, dinosaur. Dinosaur. One more time. I think you're going to know this one. Dinosaur. Here we go. Did you get it? Dinosaur. Ha ha. Dinosaur. Okay, one more. This is our last one. Duck. Duck. Put those sounds together. Duck. What's my word? Duck. Quack, quack, quack. See you next time.